Gore mag loch nanga mawuok e kaunti ma Elgeyo Marakwet koriwore kod duol ma ok mar piny owacho chako chenro mar timo apedha ne johala matimo ohala mag kongo ma opuodhi e alworano koloso e romo mar chiwo puonj ne ruodhi mag gwenge e yore mag kedo kod kongo ma ok opuodhi. Komishona mar obila ma Keyo North Diana Wekesa wacho ni e kinde machon ne gitimo apedha mar mako jok manyuo kendo puko kongo. Kata kamano ohala ma kamano bende poko rumo kendo koro nyaka gimanyi yore makare mag kedo kod ohand kongo ma chik ok opuodho.
This sensitization forum has given us an avenue, an alternative method of actually handling this illicit weed. And from their approach, it's an approach that involves embracing these people. You know, they're members of our society. They are our family members, our brothers and sisters, our neighbors. It involves bringing them on board and rehabilitating them in a way in which they accept to change from what they're doing and embrace alternative ways of making money.
We also teach them the skills to share the transformation with many other people. We have seen this being so successful. We started with 7 women, ladies who were transformed, and then those 7 ladies, they went and they transformed other 20-something ladies. And right now, the transformation has gone on until currently, as I speak, we have about 3,000 women in Elgeyo Marakwet, together with the other counties, who have been transformed, and they are doing some good businesses in their home states. We thank God for this.
Na nataka niombe kama director wa Jiptebo ya kwamba njia hii ambayo hii Elai wamefanya Elgeyo Marakwet na Baringo na kule Wasingisho na Nandi na West Pokot, nataka niombe kabisa tafadhali tufuate hii njia kwa sababu ya testimonies wakina mama wengi ambao wamebadilika.
Actually brewing wa mama wanafanya because they have no knowledge, but now because mimi nilipitia kwa hiyo painfulness of brewing na kushikwa na chiefs, nina wito kwamba nitawafikia wamama kuwaeleza jinsi maisha yangu ilikuwa hapo mbeleni na jinsi nilivyo sasa, so that tukuje tukiwa na wamama wengi na hata familia yao ikae mzuri jinsi hata mimi ninavyokaa wakati huu.